Well, my dental problems were that I was losing teeth because of gum disease. I finally figured I might as well have them all removed rather than wait, have pain. It was just causing the gums to decay and the bone loss. And finally, at age 79, I decided to just simply have them all taken care of, remove the problem.
Joseph came to us concerned about missing teeth. He really wanted to be able to chew again. He had a temporary partial made that was loose, really wasn't performing the way he wanted. He had heard from a friend about the idea of implants, and he really didn't know anything about implants. So we started talking about the options for him. Ultimately, he decided to remove the remaining 3 to 4 teeth he had in his upper jaw. We were able to place 4 implants and give him teeth immediately that day.
I liked the staff. The young lady that brought me in and talked to me was very polite. And Dr. Timm, when I met him, I think it was like within 30 seconds, I liked him. I liked him because he talked to me. He told me anything I wanted to know. The young ladies that I talked to told me anything I wanted to know. They told me what was going to happen. I felt extremely comfortable. The price didn't bother me. He told me what my options were. I just remember that he said, you know, we can remove them. You'll walk out of here with teeth. That's all I needed to know.
He's been ecstatic. Just the idea that it would be possible, that he would be able to leave the office, have something done. And like recently talked to him, and he said he doesn't remember the surgery because he was sedated. And overall, his pain was very minimal afterwards.
Dr. Timm is just a really nice guy. And I would tell people that you will like him. He knows what he's doing. He's not gonna lie to you. He's honest. He's a nice man. I appreciate everybody here, and I love the work that they've done.